Oh my god. Dude, it would just be camels and goats at that point.
Wait, she said push the button, guys. I'm pushing the button. I know who it is.
Hitting the button. I know who
Oh
it is.
shit! Look at me! I am the captain now! What are we doing? Opinion hold? Opinion hold. Alright, hold on. I need to think. I don't trust Wolfie, and I don't trust anybody with the G word.
Grigga.
You
don't trust Grigga.
I think I strongly disagree with that.
Humans receive the following prompt, dude.
Nuts have no place in a brownie.
What? What do you mean? Nuts definitely can go in a brownie.
No, I don't think so.
Yes.
I don't agree.
Dude, I've had nuts in a brownie once.
I don't.
and
Wait,
didn't like it.
who is the G word?
Well, you had it wrong.
Me, you stupid.
Oh yeah, I definitely
Somebody
Isaiah.
Somebody ruined you.
Isaiah.
No, dude, fucking put pecans in that shit.
Isaiah.
Yeah,
Great.
pecans would be fantastic.
Isaiah, it's not that I think you're suspicious, it's just that I don't like you.
Dude, I saw a brownie and I was like, yo, I'm gonna get picked because
I'm the captain. Bro, I got promoted. Fuck yeah.
What? No, you're not above me. I'm the task force.
15 minutes.
What?
Draw the
I
prompt.
want to make sure everyone has at least one.
I am way too fucked up for this.
Exactly.
Am I about to see a fucking
I hate you
blob?
guys. I didn't
If
get to
I see a
start when you
blob,
guys
I'm gonna be
started.
pissed.
I was still at work when you guys started.
Ryan, I swear to God, if it's just a giant cock, I'm not gonna be happy. I have no idea. I don't know. Giant cock, I'm
Alright,
gonna be
we're ending it
unhappy,
there.
bro.
I'm stopping while I'm ahead.
Here's the prompt humans should have received.
Holy shit.
Where's
Draw
draw a bear?
Shit.
Broad.
That looks like an eagle, not a bear.
Broad, what is that?
Okay,
No!
Ryan, yours looks like
I'm on an iPhone 7!
That's definitely an
because the
eagle,
screen
not a
size-
bear.
The screen width on this is the fucking girth of my cock. I can't draw on this.
Is 8 inches? Is 8
Oh my god, dude, I
inches
fucking
in centimeters?
I just can't, bro. I saw the fucking first one. And it looked like fucking Yogi Bear. I was about to fucking shit.
Brian,
Dude.
do it. I about threw my phone on accident, bro.
Oh no.
Everybody press hurry.
Why am I getting that? Why?
Collaboration.
Yeah, bro, it's definitely Isaiah though.
Get the shit
Here's
off
the
me.
correct prompt.
Get the shit off me.
If I had
Get this beta shit off me.
The officer
You're
accidentally
a-
if I had to choose, I wouldn't leave because my ass would probably get shot in the street.
Minneapolis gang. We're riding
Well,
out
I'm
here.
brown.
We're hiding.
I'm brown. They would have
We're
shot.
hiding, bro. Bro, what do you mean we don't have police anymore, bro? Division 3.
I don't even know. That's the most Chad thing you can do, bro.
This is pre-corona, bro. They would have shot me.
Bro, you're
Bro,
just
why would
getting
you
out
get
of there. You're running, bro. Bro, what do you mean? I know the police department like the back of my hand, bro. You steal a gun, get the body armor, and GTA 5 that bitch.
Yeah, bro, let's just shoot you, bro.
Oh, damn.
Feel tired? You can go to sleep if you want to. I think
That's him saying, leave me the fuck
Why you
alone.
pick me?
Initiated.
Because I've been tested twice, Brott has been tested twice, but Drake hasn't been tested.
Why'd you choose Ryan?
I don't fucking know.
Um,
I'm retarded. Don't worry about it.
I know, bro. Isaiah is obviously the fucking zombie, bro.
Hurry up.
Zombie.
What?
And the prompt for humans was.
Ryan, if you were to have a...
Favorite
Hold on.
TV show is.
Well, if you're still recording,
Yes.
I'm not asking the question then.
Wait, what?
That was part 2. Who's trans?
It's trans. Oh my god. None of these are bad.
These are bad,
None
bro.
of these is just funny. That's part 2. It's trans.
Neither of these.
Next
Oh
captain,
my god,
please.
dude, I'm about to
Wolfie,
shit.
you're the captain now.
Hey.
Dude,
I-
bystanders online.
No,
I'm
let's
a captain now.
We're testing.
do not do this. No, why? I can't, bro.
He's drunk. Why'd you do that?
Alright, concentrate. Alright.
All right. First symbol looks like an ant with its pincers open. So it's got 2 eyes, it's got the lines going down to the nose, and it's got a frowny face. Okay?
Wait, is it like 2 lines going down, a frowny face, and then 2 eyes?
Lines going
It's like
up or down.
it's like 2 lines going down to connect to the upside down smile, the frowny face, and then there's 2
Okay,
dots to the
I
left
got you.
I got it.
All right. The middle one looks like a backwards F connected to a person.
Backwards F connected to a person?
Yes.
Okay, I got it.
The backwards F is on the left side of the person.
Okay, I think I got it.
What
The
the
last one
Like,
looks like two Y's. One of them is backward.
is there a
and
dot?
There's a dot at the bottom, yes.
Yeah, I got that one. I got
Got
it.
it.
Okay, I'm good.
We're good? Lock it
Good.
in?
Yeah.
Yes.
So F
Alright.
backward, insert, and okay, 2 F's or 2 Y's.
Someone fucked it up.
What?
Who failed? Who failed?
Yeah.
Isaiah failed it.
Oh, I fucked up. No, that was me.
Ah.
It was. Oh, I didn't see that one above. Okay.
Said it was connected to a person.
I didn't hear that. I just heard the F next to the person. The F to the left of the guy.
Oh.
You want to give me my socks?
Bruh.
Who the fuck?
Great. That makes you sound like
Yeah, I know you're over there.
Bruh.
Isolate.
definitely
Alright.
you.
This is our first time here.
It's not.
2 minutes to decide.
What do you guys
Bruh.
say?
There's not enough evidence. I'm saying.
I don't think. Okay.
There's not enough
Okay.
evidence.
Hold on. Yeah, I was gonna say I don't think it's Ryan. Ryan hasn't done anything.
Yeah.
I don't know why I'm
Ryan-
helping. I'm
I don't care what
cautious,
you
but,
think,
like,
alien.
I was gonna say I don't know. Like
Agree.
I'm not an alien, but we're gonna fucking lose if we put Ryan in there because he hasn't done shit.
Mm-hmm.
Thank you.
Oh shit, I am the captain. What are we
Ryan
doing?
was silent
I
the
don't
whole
fucking
time.
know. We got 7 minutes
I'm
left.
talking to someone. What the fuck?
I'm gonna be wanking my
Sure.
cock.
Drake's only been tested once, so I'm putting him in there.
Another
Alright.
trip to the opinion.
Wolfie gets tested.
Drake's only
Because,
been tested
Alright.
once.
What?
Wolfie's
They
being
were
tested
not.
because
Character responses.
what?
They were not. Mm-mm. That's all I'm gonna say.
I have never listened. I have.
Something about somebody overrated. I'm assuming music-wise.
Was
I'm gonna say this. I have never
are
listened
correct.
to
the
Prince.
greatest
Never have.
rock
Never have.
musician of all time.
Prince is the greatest rock musician of
So
all
I
time.
literally just said slight disagree because I've never heard of
Do
Prince.
any of
No,
these answers seem
there's not.
suspicious?
No. Mm-mm.
I don't like that.
I know he fucking died, but that's all I fucking know of him.
I know he
I don't
fucking
fucking
died.
know.
Yeah, bro. So did like OJ Fox.
Oh, Jesus.
Shit, no, he's alive, bro. He's playing golf.
So is the alien heads? Is that voting for like someone to be alien or what?
That's just noting that somebody's suspicious.
Oh, okay. Well, I've been doing it wrong then.
What, bruh?
I've been thinking it's like, oh, this one's better.
Yo, it's Drake. We can go into the bioscanner again.
Now deliberation.
I don't remember. Oh, this is the one where you choose shit. Yeah.
Yeah.
Dick.
The captain would like to ponder some more.
Look at me.
Ah,
I am the
yes,
captain.
pondering.
We only have 6 minutes, by the way.
For questionable
Yeah.
positions.
Hmm.
I'm just saying.
We got time.
Yep.
Too bad. I already have an
Humans were
answer.
given this prompt. You find a completely loyal.
This is
What
the
the fuck?
obvious choice.
orangutan. You
Oh, I didn't know what orangutan was.
You know what
Obviously,
an
yeah.
orangutan is?
If it's an
Dude,
if it's an
fuck yeah.
orangutan, if it's an
Big one
orangutan,
Tell it.
it's
Bro,
just
why
Why
would
would you
you
sell it? No! Have you seen that one episode of iCarly?
Bro,
deep inherent
Don't you remember that episode
Oh
from
my
iCarly?
God.
Come on.
for stealing people and
I
putting
was
them
about
as
to say something.
how
Fucked
dare
up.
you?
You never
guys
seen
don't
Django
sell
on
the
chain, bro?
orangutan.
Orangutan
Oh
hands
my
and clutches.
God.
You're
I'm
trying to
definitely
get
Come on.
I am definitely more
Yeah,
suspicious.
Brett,
What's wrong with you?
Fuck. Brett, you fucking.
I'm definitely more suspicious.
He gives us like a random prompt to try to
Oh
defend
my
it.
god, dude, I fucking can't. Oh my god.
Like,
It's a writing pod because
Ryan, hit your shit.
I can't draw, bro.
Huh?
Ryan, what
Yeah.
the fuck are you doing?
oh
Ryan,
shit, is that me?
Yeah,
Yes,
yeah.
Ryan.
Cousin.
Who's writing pod,
Wasting
cuz?
time, are we?
Oh, that's
Drawing
not
for it.
writing pod. Do not
alien.
choose me, bro. I can't draw.
Hurry, choose someone. Choose. Let's go.
I'm not
Fuck,
Ross!
what's up?
I didn't choose one
I
fast.
told you not to put him in there.
could reveal an alien.
You gonna deny a man his wishes? What the fuck? That's kind of fucked up.
Yeah, guys, I'm a pretty bad alien.
I'm pretty sure Ryan is an alien. He wasted time.
I'm not an alien.
I'm pretty
No, he was
sure
talking
you
to his
are.
like girlfriend or something.
I think he's drunk.
I think you're all drunk.
I thought I wasn't reading that right. Like,
No, yeah, he can't spell right.
Who?
Huh?
Yeah, I don't know.
I
I
would
mentioned
say like Please fucked up. I don't
Yeah,
know.
Guys, you ready for this?
Are you
Hold on.
completely fucked up?
No.
You guys ready for this?
Money.
My minion's dollar! My minion's dollar!
Dollar signs!
All right. It's
My minion's dollar!
That's way
pretty
too simple.
obvious, so.
That's what I fucking told you, bro.
That's
I ain't no
way-
goddamn alien, pussy ass. Bitch ass.
Now here's the thing.
Next
Bro, I've been testing more on this bitch than I have for STDs.
We're running out of time here. Ryan the alien is gonna win.
Alright, nah, fuck this, bro.
I'm not an alien. What the fuck?
Yes, you are.
I got this.
Why not? Oh,
back again, huh?
You wasted time. You did that other
Bro,
thing that I
I'm
forgot.
talking. I'm talking to a person.
I didn't. Bro, he literally said.
Yeah,
Bro,
see?
y'all ain't paying attention to what he's saying.
You.
She's
You
drunk.
say yes.
Drake, come on, bro.
Oh,
I hate
I'm
Isiah.
confused right now. What?
No
Bro,
regrets.
Isiah,
Brock, you did this before. You did this before, Brock.
I don't know why
did
you
this
guys think
before.
I like. The only reason why I went to talk to this
Fuck it, I don't care.
ass,
I don't care if I lose.
ass
I don't
over
care.
here.
Fuck
Okay.
you, Isiah! What? Isiah can't hide shit from me, bro.
Oh, she's an ass.
Hey,
Isiah, I search your brain
what the
like I
fuck,
search your
guys?
ass.
Alien.
Ah.
Let's go!
I knew it was Brock.
Shit.
I fucking knew
You
it.
son of a bitch!
Wait,
How
Yes,
dare
yes.
you!
why are the aliens allowed to fucking push the
But
button
I knew it was
before-
Ryan. I was right about Ryan.
I'm flossing.
I'm shitting myself. My shit. Alright, skip this bitch.
I
I know
can't,
that-
motherfucker.
Oh,
Bro,
I
Isiah,
can't.
I swear to God, I'm gonna throw you in the fucking space again.
Dude, I remember in senior year, every
Okay.
Tuesday, they would literally buy Pizza Hut pizzas and just serve them for lunch.
Bro, what the fuck? That sounds like bomb.
That's
But here's the thing, though. They bought it early in the morning, so it didn't really taste good.
Oh.
You went to a white school, didn't you?
Yes.
I wish we could make it to where there was only one alien. That would make it a lot more sus.
I'd appreciate it if you could figure out who the aliens are and then push the button.
Yeah, at the same time, that would
Push
also
the
that would also
button.
have a bigger chance to just yeet two people out right off the get.
Hmm.
Also, guys, I'm not an alien, seeing as how I didn't press the button right off the bat.
Sure.
I swear. Test me right now. Opinion hold. Throw me in that bitch. Don't make me draw because I can't.
Fine.
Swear to
I
God.
want shit.
Unless I get hacked, I swear to God. Do you say you want to shit?
Who is
Bro, I
not
swear
an
to God. Bro, I swear to God.
Who
I'm not.
Who's the name, not an alien?
Oh, okay.
I can
Drake.
clarify. Drake.
That's not
Okay.
me.
Oh, shit.
No, that's not me. I'm Lieutenant Human Drake.
Oh, then that's
yes,
fucking
he's
Ryan.
I'm gonna say slightly disagree. Wolfie and I have had this conversation, so Wolfie knows I'm not lying.
Okay, alright.
I have amazing fashion sense. And now, let's judge how they responded.
I disagree because I wear the
Oh,
same
wait, yes,
shit
you
all
have.
the time.
You're right. You're right.
I wear
do
the
remember
same
this
shit every day.
I wear
I
the same
do
uniform
remember this
every
conversation.
fucking day.
Literally, Wolfie and I have had this conversation
You mean
like
you're
forever.
hypocrite?
Wear clothes, bro.
I don't
Well,
know
I
about
just
your
don't wear
fashion
clothes.
sense.
I think.
I have
Thinking about it.
fantastically bad fashion sense.
Wait, Ryan's not an alien? Like the person name? Who's not an alien?
New
I know
Yes, that is
Isaiah's.
Ryan.
Oh
That is
wait, yeah,
Ryan.
because
That is Ryan.
Drake's still Lieutenant
That's
Human.
not an
Yeah.
alien.
room and test group. There's less than 14 minutes.
Bro, I'm really fucking hungry, and I have zero food in my house.
Well, that's a
I have
fucking
chicken
problem.
Popeyes, but I don't want to fucking work the oven because I feel like I'm gonna burn the
Popeyes?
house down.
Do you
Oh, not
know-
Popeyes.
Right
Bro, I wish I. What the fuck?
Your device.
What do you mean, what the fuck? Use
What
microwave.
the fuck? I ain't using no goddamn microwave, bro. You've been in the system too long.
Microwaving your fucking Popeyes.
Yeah, I know you haven't lived with an oven for that long, but like, goddamn, bro.
Oh my god.
He's tweaking.
Tastes
Whoa,
bad.
this fucking guy.
Oh shit, man.
This fucking guy. Ryan, you're
Oh
gonna
my
be this guy
fucking
soon.
God.
Give it 40 years.
I think my phone.
I had to say a catch.
Hey, wait a second.
Oh no.
Say,
This is not the
Oh.
phrase I was given.
what do we think?
Oh.
Scrum diddly wumptious.
I was told
My phone just died.
if I was eating something, right? It was
None of
delicious.
these.
What would I
All
say?
right, hold on.
Anyone who
Hold
says
on.
I would say
scrumdiddly-
scrumdiddlyumptious.
Hold
anyone
on,
who says
hold on.
scrumdiddly is obviously a
Hold
terrorist.
on. Hold on. Okay, hold on. Okay, hear this out. I believe Wolfie and Drake says yeet all the fucking time. Wait, that's not it.
Absolutely sure you got
This is who it is. This is who it is. Trust me. Trust me.
I don't know, Brott. Have you proven yourself?
Yeah, you
Yes,
test me with the
actually,
opinion
yeah,
hold.
never mind.
You test me with the
Makes
opinion hold.
sense,
Say
you're right.
audios. I'm right,
All
motherfucker.
right, all
So
right.
dumb.
Go ahead.
I'm
I
right,
fucking
bro.
hate
Because
you,
I
dude.
trust Wolfie. When Wolfie
Hey,
when
Ryan.
Wolfie-
Alright.
Hey Ryan, thanks,
Yo,
Ryan,
I
thanks
hate
for the
y'all.
sac-
I fucking
Ryan,
hate
thanks
you
for your
guys.
sacrifice. Thank you
hate
for
you
your
guys.
sacrifice.
Why, dude? You're fucking awful. You always put me on the fucking thing.
I hacked you. I hacked you.
Should have picked
Hold on.
Drake.
Hear me
Yeah,
out.
fuck you guys.
Hear me out. Hear me out. Drake says yeet all the fucking time.
All right,
I'm
you're
always
right
a
about
fucking
that, but maybe we
sacrifice.
acted too
My
soon.
fucking phone died in the middle of
Sorry,
the
bro. I'm
I got.
joking. Phone died.
Hey, do you know what my
Not even
know what my
joking.
prompt was?
My phone died.
hot dog.
Bro, hold on.
Tim.
Apollo hot dog is initiated.
I have determined that two of you are secretly aliens.
Oh shit, I hit some shit.
All right, so. Oh,
Can I back
I
up?
was,
Well,
I was
I
an
was
alien.
human.
I was an
I
alien
was a
with
human.
Isiah.
Yeah.
Oh shit, I'm human.
Ryan's
What the
alien.
fuck?
Ryan's alien.
Look, it's LGBT slayer.
Again. When do I get to be the alien?
Players.
What was
Bullshit.
alien?
No,
Yeah.
not human again. It's bullshit.
Drake It's Isiah. Isaiah and Wolfie. Bro, it's gonna be Isaiah one of these times.
What?
Go ahead, try it. See what happens. You'll lose. You will lose.
Bro,
I've been accused of
Unless
being
you're alien, then you'll win.
3 different times.
Hey, Brott. Brott, you ready? Brott, you ready? for this?
3 different.
oh no, alright, I'm ready, I'm ready. I'm ready. Hit it. Run it back. Run it, run it.
Oh my
It's
fucking
not
god!
me,
You
I
guys are
swear.
crazy.
I'm ready.
Brott,
I've
if
been
you're the alien, you'll
three
win.
different fucking
That's what I'm
times.
saying.
Bring it up.
It's not me. I'm a
time,
human
dude.
again.
Oh my fucking
And the
god!
recording
dude.
will prove.
Adios. Adios.
Oh my fucking.
Where's my phone?
Brott is either
No,
dumb
dude.
or a slippery snake.
Bye.
Assalamu alaikum.
Get out of here.
Brott is either a dumb or a
Goodbye.
snake.
No, don't you fucking
Goodbye.
care,
Wait,
Ryan. You're
Brott
ruining
and
the
Drake
game.
are saying it? Or Brott and Ryan?
Bye.
Wait,
Assalamu
no!
alaikum.
They're both aliens! No!
Listen, I don't care about
Content, content.
Listen,
Brott,
I
here
did
we
it
go.
for the walls.
Here we go, bro.
We got him, boys.
Yes,
I don't
damn
care.
it.
I don't care if the aliens win. I
Why?
win.
I've been
I win.
accused. Oh, wait, no! Oh, Drake, no!
It was an
dumbass.
unbreakable plan.
You dumbass!
Oh yeah, boss.
Dude, I made the perfect play. I win. I'm pushing the button, boys.
Oh my fucking god, dude. That shit pissed me the fuck off.
And confirm your identity.
Don't get pissed
Ah.
If you're a human or
Because I've been accused 3 different fucking times that I've been a human.
Unfortunately,
Oh shit, guys, guys, I'm human, bro. He's
Again?
brown.
Again?
What?
calculations will have
What do you mean
15
again?
minutes
Oh.
to cease to be.
Ryan, you and I are human, bro. We got it.
Aliens are, and then push
What the fuck?
Bro, Ryan, we're human again, bro.
I'm gonna do it again. I'll do it again, damn it.
Don't make me fucking do it again.
Guys, what the
Choose an
fuck?
available room and your desired participants.
Oh.
Yo, run it up. Get me in this bitch. Let's
Which one
go.
of you is which?
You know it's baby.
Drake is
Ryan,
obvious.
oh,
Which one
more.
is you is which?
Ryan
Me.
is LGBT.
It's not me.
Ryan is LGBT. What are you doing? Ryan
Oh,
is
shit,
LGBT.
fuck, wrong button.
Brown boy is faggot.
It's not me, boys. What the fuck?
You have
Definitely
quarters.
one of
Oh.
you, for sure.
Draw the prompt on your device.
It's one
I'm
of
gonna
you,
draw
for
some
sure.
badass bitch. Nice ass titties.
Hmm.
Yo, this works. This works. Let's go. You know it's baby? Bro, I swear to God, I've been drawing dick pics on my phone with Snapchat for years. I got this shit on.
Fucking
no.
shit, dude. Oh
Yo,
my
hurry
god.
up. Run it up, bro. Whoever LGBT is, hurry up.
No, dude, I'm glad that we lasted one fucking round.
Draw a fancy dress.
All right.
So, let's see how they responded.
Draw some badass bitch. What the fuck is that?
What the fuck?
Alright.
That ain't no
Bro,
dress.
bro, is that a bee?
That ain't no dress.
Why it got lines in it, bro? You
Obviously,
slit your
bro.
Yes.
No,
Oh my
Alright, it's
god.
obviously Ryan. We got
I don't know what a dress looks like, guys. What the fuck?
Also, I want to
That's
say,
not what a dress looks like.
I want to say somebody hacked me because for me it said prom dress, not normal dress.
Oh my god, dude, I'm about to shit.
Okay, let's get a move on.
Opinion holder, writing pod.
Opinion. I wear a blazer. I have opinions.
No.
Yo, put me in that bitch. Fuck.
Opinion.
No, you're
Yeah,
already
bro.
been fucking tested.
I need to
I'll
prove
give
that
you
I'm
mine
human,
all
bro.
day.
Answer the question on your device.
I definitely am.
Humans receive.
Fuck it. Did I hear
As
someone
much as
say
I would
fucking
like to
Shaggy in
Yeah,
the
I've been
background?
being superstitious
I
so
definitely
much. I've been being superstitious so much all my fucking life because I go into haunted houses a lot.
Wolfie obviously believes in ghosts.
Dude, I go into haunted houses a lot. I got one down the road from
Yeah,
me.
dude, he gets
Oh,
haunted by them
over there.
daily when he's
I
working
am
on helicopters.
superstitious.
I mean,
Slightly
on the
agree.
wall right now, there is like very shady drawing of the word Sean, and
I
don't
could
know
send
who
a
the fuck
fucking
that
video
is.
of me and my friends going into a
I'll
fucking
take a
house.
picture of
Well,
it and show you guys later.
Wolfie's the kind of
Well,
person
Brott, you
that
can
gets
edit it into
haunted
the
by all the
video.
people who crash into Iraq.
Oh my god, you're gonna make me. Wait, I'm editing this? Bro,
Sure.
buddy!
Hey,
I
we're
need to pay
talking
rent.
Hopefully it'll
I
show
need to
up.
pay the
if you can.
fucking alimony.
Who
Like a
is it?
divorce.
Who is it?
Yo,
Yeah,
throw,
there it
me,
is.
throw me and flag it.
It's definitely Wolfie and Drake.
Oh, no, bro. What? No, we need
What?
flag it. He hasn't been tested, bro.
Our first
Bro!
collaboration.
How the fuck can you throw me in there?
Answer the question on your
You
device.
drunk piece of shit.
I'm not even drunk.
You stupid piece of fuck.
Oh shit, the thing.
Fucking
That, and-
What?
Okay.
Are you a little drunk?
No, bro. What?
Oh fuck.
And
Pay
the
that.
prompt for humans was a
not
hacker
gonna
wants
pay that. Come on.
$50,000 or they will release your text messages to the world. You would say,
I love my money. Y'all know this.
Go for it. I don't know about Brett. Maybe Brett. What would Brett say in this?
Nah, dude, I'm not gonna pay that money. Y'all know I love my money.
Dude, I have literally sent my dick pics to my friends. I don't fucking care.
Oh, Wolfie doesn't have money. He's poor.
Yeah.
No, hey, wait a minute.
Wolfie got sent to the army. He doesn't have much.
Okay, Wolfie, Drake,
Yeah.
you guys trust me.
Let me. I mean, I don't know if I do.
we're on the clock here, people, so let's
Okay,
keep
we'll
going.
run.
You
We'll run.
asked him for
We'll
my
run.
trust already.
Bro.
Run it back, run it back, one away,
Okay,
wait, man.
I'm gonna say. I think it's.
Man, left me this
who
motherfucker.
is- I think it's Ryan and Drake, or I think it's Ryan and Isaiah.
This guy is. I'm just trying to translate for you.
Alright, drunk orders.
Ryan and Isaiah. Isaiah hasn't even been tested yet.
Alright.
Yeah.
I don't even know why the fuck I haven't been tested.
Wait, why am I up here?
Nothing like
They got C's because, bro, I think Wolfie has Wolfie money and Drake doesn't money.
Oh fuck! How the fuck do I draw this?
Okay, fuck.
Isaiah's hacker.
What the fuck? How do you do this? Alright, I don't know how to draw this. So I'm just gonna.
Another one?
Oh.
Ryan,
extraction.
Brott,
Since you have
Brott,
Who
who
the fuck
did
is
you
doing
say?
this?
Whom will you
What?
isolate?
Who did
What?
you
This
say,
wasn't
Brott?
me.
Time
I
lapse.
said flag it and LGBT.
Sure, you got this right.
Here we
No,
go.
guys, it's not me. It's not me. I'm being serious, guys. It's not me.
Dude,
Dude, it's the fourth time that I'm being accused of being a
not me.
alien.
It's
Poor.
Drake.
Guys,
It has to be.
Thank you, Isaiah.
Wait, hold on. Oh, it wasn't right. It was Isaiah.
Ah! Drake, you son of a bitch!
Dude, as soon as you guys started the
I'm
shit,
good at
I immediately
fucking
hacked
lying, but every
myself. So I was
single time you
fucking
guys-
test me, I fucking dare you.
I'm really good at fucking lying. But the
one-
problem is
the
that
one-
you guys
No,
fucking,
sorry,
you
Ryan.
always throw me out, so I can't
Wolfie.
fucking lie.
Ryan,
one
I'm
that-
sorry.